Alright, so I know I said that I'd upload in a week, and it's been almost 2 weeks now. More than 2 weeks. I have a good excuse. Not really. I have summer classes and a volleyball tournament halfway across the country. We did pretty well, actually. But no more excuses. The next video will come faster. Anyways, if you watched the previous vlog and you know about the book I'm reading, I finished the majority of the Unreal Engine tutorial in that book. So last time all these targets I'm shooting were just blocks, and they didn't do anything besides move back and forth along an axis and get destroyed. But now I've added some AI to the actors, I changed the mesh to some default player meshes. I also have this new graphical interface. You can pause, there's an end level screen, a dead screen. You can save your progress and delete your progress. All the buttons and functionality work. I think it's honest work. I learned a lot. It doesn't look the most visually appealing, but it's alright. After I finished the additions to that low game, I was thinking that when you make a game, you gotta have a bunch of assets. Everything from random decorations like barrels and benches to tools and player mesh. So I started trying to learn Blender, and of course that meant I did Mr. Blender Guru's donut tutorial. Here's a quick montage of my progress. I made the beat in GarageBand, so don't judge. I didn't get to animate the donut because every time I tried to, my computer literally died and I had to reboot it. Yeah. Anyways, after the tutorial, I made my own bench from scratch. It's nothing much, but it's a big improvement from not knowing how to even move or place mesh in Blender. Since grass takes up a lot of space in most games, it better be good, so I made some cool grass in Blender and then programmed it in Unreal Engine to move with wind simulation. If you've watched any devlogs or tips and tricks from successful developers, they always say, start small, don't make your dream game. I so wanted to make my dream game, but I somehow convinced myself to start small, which turned out to be a very good decision, because their advice was very right. I decided to just make a simple Pong game. Sounds easy, right? Well, if I was just programming this in Java and can make things move easily in 2D, yes, it would be, but I had to get a good camera angle, then set the player viewport to the camera actor, then set the player control to the platform. Then my ball kept flying through the walls when I hit it too hard. Then I had the great idea of enhancing my game, because no, I didn't want to be simple. I wanted more complexity and more pain. So that's what I'm adding next. Yeah, that's about it. Terribly short video, although longer than the last one. I was surprised when I got like 40 views on the last video. I was expecting 5 max. So thanks everyone for watching. It means a lot. I'll also try to make some more stuff in Blender and have a video up in a week or so. Rip Techno.
Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe